This niche is fresh, with almost no competition, and it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Every video you post could explode with views and bring in serious money, but the window won't stay open forever. Act fast before it gets crowded, because once the competition hits, the profits will fade. So what is this golden opportunity? It's the rapidly growing trend of satisfying marble music videos, a niche that's been setting TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube on fire. The perfect mix of visual appeal and soothing sounds, these videos are captivating millions of viewers and filling creators' pockets with cash. Check out the incredible rise of the TikTok channel Music Ball 11. In just 6 months, they've skyrocketed to 1.3 million followers. One of their videos alone has hit a staggering 36 million views, translating to roughly $36,000 from the TikTok Creativity Program. And that's not all. They have another video with over 14 million views, plus several others, all racking up millions of views each, resulting in impressive monthly earnings. What's even more amazing, the videos are simple to create. Let's take a moment to watch one of their videos. Notice how effortlessly mesmerizing it is? Now let's not stop at TikTok. This niche is making waves across other platforms too. Take a look at the Instagram channel Trick Try. Despite being a brand new account, with their first video posted on June 24th, 2024, they've already gained over 11,000 followers in just 2 months. But here's where it gets really interesting. Their videos are pulling in millions of views. One of their satisfying marble videos has over 17 million views, while another has over 7 million. And remember, this channel only has 27 posts in total, yet every single one is racking up thousands to millions of views. It's clear that this niche isn't just working, it's thriving across multiple platforms. Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how to create these viral, satisfying marble music videos. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editing pro or have a ton of experience. With the power of AI and a few easy steps, you can start making these videos and earning some serious cash too. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the tutorial. First things first, head over to your app store and download an app called Beat Bounce. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description to make it easy for you. Once you've got the app installed, open it up and go through the initial tutorial so you can unlock the main menu. When you first get into the app, you'll notice there are a bunch of levels you can play through. But hold on, this isn't where we'll be making your video just yet. You'll need to complete at least one level to unlock the level editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once you've conquered the first level and chosen your package, it's time to dive into the settings. Look to the bottom of your screen and tap on the settings icon. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your username. This is how others will see you in the game. While you're in the settings, you might also want to customize your experience a bit more. If you prefer a quieter game, you can turn off the sound and vibration options. For those who want the best visual experience, go ahead and bump up the video quality to high. Now that your settings are sorted, it's time to explore some new levels. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on User Levels. Here you'll find a huge collection of pre-made levels that you can start playing and recording right away. You have the option to browse popular levels or search for something specific using a song title. Let's say you want to play a level based on the song Bye Bye by L-Sync. Simply type the song title into the search bar, and voila! It's right there. Before you jump into the level, there are a few more things to set up. At the top of the screen, you'll notice several options. One crucial tip is to turn on record mode before you start. This will allow you to capture your gameplay. When you're ready, click on the record icon. A pop-up window will appear with various recording settings. Here you can choose the recording mode that suits you best, whether landscape or portrait. You can also adjust the resolution to your preference and turn on the Remove Watermark option to get rid of the beat bounce logo. Once you've customized these settings, hit the record button and the recording will begin. After the recording is complete, you can listen to the music and see if it matches the vibe you're going for. But why stop there? If you're feeling creative, you can make something entirely your own. Head over to the level editor to start creating. You can either load a pre-existing sample or click on Create a Sample to upload your own MIDI files. I'll include some links in the description to websites where you can find free MIDI files for popular songs. This is a great way to make your videos stand out. For this tutorial, let's visit freemidi.org. Search for a song you like and download the MIDI file. Once you've got the file, return to Beat Bounce and upload it into the level editor. Now you're ready to create something truly unique. After you've uploaded your MIDI file, click Next and give your project a name. Click Next again, and you'll be able to choose the best settings for your song. Once everything looks good, you'll be taken to the World Editor. This is where the fun really begins. In the World Editor, you can create your own custom maps. Take some time to explore the tools at the top of the screen that let you change the lighting, colors, and background. You can also zoom in or out, and even customize the color and design of your ball to make your video stand out. Now that you've either found the perfect pre-made song or created your own from scratch, it's time to record. Launch the level, and make sure to turn on the record mode to capture the entire animation process. If you prefer, you can also use your phone's screen recording function to capture the animation as it plays. Once the animation is done, you'll have your raw video ready for editing. If you use the inbuilt recorder, your video is ready to upload without needing any editing. But if you used your phone's recorder, you might need to trim some extra footage. For that, you can use Capcut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing app. If you don't have Capcut yet, I'll include a link in the description so you can download it. Open the app, import your recorded video, and trim any unnecessary footage from the beginning or end to make it neat and professional. Here's a pro tip. Add a watermark to your video to protect your content. Just reduce the opacity so it blends smoothly into the background without being too noticeable. And just like that, you've got your very own Marble music video, ready to be uploaded to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Now all that's left is to post it and watch the views, likes, and followers start rolling in. The more videos you create, the better your chances of going viral and making money from your content. Thanks for following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a comment and let me know how your videos turn out. You might be the next big creator to hit millions of views in this exciting niche. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you level up your content creation game.